Hi, welcome to J Talks. I'm Josna Cardoza, and today I'll be talking about data leakage. Data leakage happens when information from outside the training data set, especially from the target variable or future data, is unintentionally used during training. This results in the high model accuracy during the training, but in production, it fails miserably. It's kind of worst because it's the silent killer. A subtle mistake that makes your model cheat without you even knowing it. It's like for mock test, you use the answer key and then wondering why did you fail in the exam. There are different types of data leakage. First one is the target leakage. This is when you use the features that wouldn't be available in the real scenarios. For example, let's say you are using loan data set to predict if the user is default or not. Now, in the training and test data set, you will have the field if the loan has been paid or not, because it's the existing data set. The data has been already processed, the users have already either paid the loan or not paid the loan, so that data is already available. And the field, if the loan has been paid or not, can tell the model that the user is default or not. But when you deploy your model, since you have to predict if the user will get defaulted or not, you will not be having this info, which will make your model fail. So it's very important that you remove the features that leak future info into training. The second type is train test contamination. This data leakage usually happens when we split train and test sets after or during processing, resulting in test set information being leaked to the training. So usually we will have a single data set which we split into 70% for the training and 30% for the test. So we split the data set. So when you do so, it is possible that the some information from that test data set being leaked into training. So your model already knows that, okay, this is the data. So make sure that you always split the train test before processing. Third type is temporal leakage. This data leakage specifically happens in the time series datasets, where the model sees the future data during training. In time series data, it is very important to go according to the date type. If you randomly split data without sorting it, temporal data leakage could happen. So it's always best to walk forward or use time-aware validation. As I said, data leakage are silent failures. That means it doesn't raise an error. But with critical thinking, careful pre-processing, and discipline, you could avoid such failures. Now, let's say I have the last batch students records, which includes attendance rate and hours studied per week, exam scores, and if the student is pass or fail. If you have to build a system to predict the future batch students will pass or fail, which column do you think will cause the data leakage? And which type of leakage is it? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. I hope you found today's talk useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next talk.